The formula d is equal to v plus u times t all over 2 is particularly useful in the study of physics. Transpose the formula to make v the subject. And so here we have this formula, d is equal to v plus u times t all over 2. And our goal is to make v the subject of the formula. So we need to have v on one side and everything else on the other side. And so the first thing that we're going to do is distribute. We're going to say t multiplied by v and t multiplied by u, and that gives us vt. So t multiplied by v is vt, and t multiplied by u is ut. Again, t multiplied by v is vt, and t multiplied by u is ut. And we put that over 2, and we take this d, and we put it over 1 because we're preparing to cross multiply. And so let's cross multiply. We have this multiplied by that. So we have 2 times d, which gives us 2d, and a 1 times vt plus ut, which we have here 1 times vt plus ut. Next, we multiply these two together and we get, so 1 times vt plus ut is vt plus ut. Next, remember our goal is to make v the subject. We want to put v by itself. So that means that we're going to take ut and we're going to send it over the equal sign. And so when we send that over, we get 2d minus ut. Remember, we did that because we want to make sure that v is by itself, all right? And so we took ut and sent it over so that we could have less things on the right-hand side. Because on the right-hand side, we only want v here, right? Okay, so what else can we get rid of on the right-hand side so that we just have v? But we need to get rid of this t, right? And the way that we do that is we could divide both sides of this equation by t. And if we do that, this t cancel with that t, so we're left with v is equal to 2d minus ut all over t, all right? And so we have that v is the subject of this equation, but we are going to switch it, all right, so that v is going to be on the left-hand side. And so when we switch it, we have that v is equal to 2d minus ut all over t. And this is our final answer to this question.